Hi everyone, this is Avinash from Androidpure.com, and today we have with us the latest F9 Pro, the smartphone that Oppo has just launched, which comes with a new water drop display with a small notch at the top instead of wide notch such as those that you have seen in iPhone X. This is basically a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with water drop screen. In terms of screen to body ratio, Oppo F9 Pro comes with 90.8% screen to body ratio. There is no button at the front. Right. The phone is powered by octa-core MediaTek Helio P60 processor along with 6 GB of RAM. It comes with ColorOS 5.2 operating system, which is based on Android 8.1 Oreo. In terms of camera, it comes with 16 megapixel main rear camera, which is the primary sensor with an aperture of f1.85. There is a secondary sensor also, which is 2 megapixel sensor, while on the front you get a 20 megapixel front camera with f2.0 aperture, which is basically a Sony IMX576 sensor that can be used for taking selfies along with video calls. It comes with dedicated SIM slots, which means that you can use 2 micro SIM slot. Apart from that, you can also use a micro SD card to expand storage up to 256 GB. The fingerprint sensor module is on the back. There is no in-display fingerprint sensor. The phone is backed by 3500 mAh battery, which comes with Woo flash charge, which can help you charge your device up to 2 hours of talk time in just 5 minutes. In terms of design, you can see a gradient color design at the back, which is a different one, and slowly this trend is gaining momentum, right? And in terms of pricing, Oppo F9 Pro is priced at rupees 23,990 rupees and will be exclusively available on Flipkart. And sorry, it's not exclusive, it will be available on Flipkart, Amazon and other offline stores. In terms of color options, it will be available in sunrise red, twilight blue and starry purple color. Some of the launch offers include usual additional 4G data from Jio up to 3.2 terabytes for rechargeable plans of $299 or above, right? So that's it. We'll be hopefully doing a full detailed review of the device later on. Thank you.